A scalper, somebody who wants to scalp the market, your own is entirely different. If you're a day trader, you're working with that time frame. For a scalper, you're starting from the 1 hour time frame because your movements are in and out. You're like quickly, you're in quickly and out quickly, and you're looking for the same thing. Let me remove this. So if you're trying to scalp the market, you're looking for the same thing. Where is resting orders? So I have one here. This one this week completely negates it. You see how I'm looking for it? This is how you'll be looking for it. You're just looking for where is the possible draw on liquidity. So let's say we have a market like this. Chances are that the market might drop down to this low, but if it's to move higher from where it is, I'm looking at this high. This is a swing high, by the way. A swing high is a 3-candle price action where you have the middle candle either higher or lower compared to the candle on the right and on the left and on the right. So this candle and this candle, we have a swing high here. That means this is a possible scenario where they could be resting orders. So if you are scalping, you're looking at this high, you're looking at this high. This is direction. So the market might come here or here. Now, being close to this, I'm going to look for the market to trend lower for me to buy. So you see the difference between a scalper and a day trader, and
Yeah.
yeah, scalper and the day trader and the swing. A day trader could be looking for sales. A scalper could be looking for buys to enter in, out, and immediately. Your time frames: 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, and the only thing you're looking for is a trend in your opposite direction. Let me look for the 1 minute. So something like this, perfect. So on the 1 minute time frame, you're going to frame this and look for where do I get like this. So we have a market. So if you're a scalper, you're already in this trade. We have a market that drops down 1, 2, 3. We have 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drives. That's fine. And then we have no fair value gap, but the market breaks and retraces. And your target is this high. This high. This is where you're targeting. So scalpers, we don't stay long in a trade. I don't think I put my trend line well. For scalping, we don't stay long in a trade. We're looking for in and out scenario. Even before someone else's trade might out, like even before a sell happens here, this market could move from here to this point, and you are done. And this is scalping. And this is why many people lose money. Scalping is nimbling profits. You enter based on your system, you take, you wait. You take, you wait. You can have many trades compared to people, but you don't hold trades for long.